This 2026 Grand Design Lineage Series M25 Takas is a Class C RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a Dove interior, sleeps 3, Slideout, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2026 Grand Design Lineage Series M25 Takas is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.